In this video I will tell you that how can you add such type of light rays in your image using Gimp. So when you open your image, go to the filters and here you can see light and shadow. In the light and shadow there are various types of lights and you can go with supernova. In this, make the radius around to 100, spokes to just like this 640, and random hue. You can go with any value you want, and then you can place this nova above the head of this person. After you have done, click OK. See how easily we have added these fake light rays in our image using Gimp. If you want more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching.